Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to expand the storage of the DJI Osmo Action 6 with a micro SD card. Now, we've already started our coverage of this device, and you may have already seen our unboxing and some other content which features either the DJI Osmo Action 6 or content created with it. So if you'd like to see more, make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Right then, so first things first, find the port where the battery goes. So if the camera lens is facing you and it's on the right of the device, look at the left side of the device and open the panel. To do that, you need to pull the little button towards the front of the device and then slide the door up. Once you've done that and you look at the contents of that port, there will obviously be the battery here, and I'm using my KF Concept ones, and then there's a little slot just above that, which is where you'll put your micro SD card. Now, if I get this right, the contacts to your micro SD card, let me see if we can get the focus on that. So the gold contacts need to be facing into the front screen of the camera. And if you click that in very gently, place it into the slot and then push in with your fingernail and it will click into place. So I'll show you that again. If I can get the card out. There we go. So you have your camera facing you, you've opened the port, and just above the battery section there's that little slot for micro SD. Make sure the contacts are facing upwards. There we go, we've got a bit of focus there, and pop them in like that. And then if you push in, it will click into place, and that's your memory card in the device. Obviously, there will be some considerations to be made for the software of the Osmo Action 6, and you'll need to choose where you're storing your content. The easiest way to do this is in the menu of your camera, pull down from the top for your main settings section, and swipe over to the left. Now, in this case, you can switch your storage to SD card. There is a card in here. But you can switch to and from the internal storage to the micro SD. And what you can do here is also format your card. Anyway, whoops, there we go. Thanks for watching if you made it this far into this video. As usual, thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.